Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tomorrow Bank Review My Usage Experience. Tomorrow Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing various banking services offered by Tomorrow Bank. Its main purpose is to help users research and select the best banking products for their individual needs. The target audience is likely anyone considering or currently using Tomorrow Bank services. Key features likely include detailed reviews of different accounts, comparison tools, and potentially user-submitted feedback. Their website provides details on available accounts and services. Tomorrow Bank positions itself as a modern, digital-first bank, emphasizing ease of use and transparency. Their website highlights their commitment to no hidden fees, although specific contract details would need to be checked directly with the bank. They don't explicitly mention a particular technology beyond standard online banking features. Availability is nationwide, as far as I can tell from their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tomorrow Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply navigated to their website and began browsing. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to filter and compare different accounts based on features like interest rates, fees, and minimum balance requirements. I specifically used the comparison tool to weigh a savings account against a checking account, and the results were presented in a clear and concise manner. The performance was excellent, the website loaded quickly and all features functioned smoothly. I had a quick question about a specific account feature and their FAQ section answered it immediately. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the interface was. The standout feature for me was definitely the comparison tool, which helped me quickly understand the differences between different accounts. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed customer reviews. While there was some general feedback, I would have liked to see more granular comments and ratings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tomorrow Bank Review My Usage Experience. It's a helpful tool for anyone considering banking with Tomorrow Bank. That's my overview of Tomorrow Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.